You sit down, open your broker app, and pull up a 5-minute chart, waiting for a single indicator to give you the signal to enter. The price breaks above a key resistance level and flashes a buy signal. You enter the trade, only to watch the market instantly and violently reverse, trapping you on the wrong side of a collapse. Indicators are only as reliable as the context they sit in. Survival requires recognizing that information flows in both directions across multiple timeframes. Understanding how these timeframes interact starts with a concept from communications theory, the signal-to-noise ratio. Higher timeframes, like weekly charts, possess a high signal ratio. Condensing data over long periods filters out contradictory daily actions, revealing macroeconomic drivers. But zooming into lower timeframes, that signal ratio drops. We enter a space of chaotic market noise that obscures the broader direction. Despite this noise, lower timeframes are essential. They provide the microstructural clarity required to execute trades with precise timing. Optimal trading systems do not choose between these charts. They capture both dimensions simultaneously, using the macro for direction and the micro for execution. This is handled through a top-down filtration funnel, a process that navigates from the widest macro trend down to tactical micro execution. Step 1. The tide. Use the highest time frame to establish a strict directional bias. Step 2. The wave. Drop to an intermediate chart to spot a pullback against the trend. Finally, the ripple. Zoom into the lowest time frame to hunt for a precise entry trigger. To make this system effective, you must pick one specific timeframe combination and stick with it for at least 30 to 50 trades. Constant switching introduces new inconsistencies that make it impossible to measure your edge. This funnel process forces you to wait for absolute alignment, filtering out high-risk noise before you ever commit capital. Decades ago, traders were limited by the physical friction of analog boards and phone banks. Today, you have the ability to instantly overlay multiple dimensions of data on a single screen. This chart demonstrates the structural advantage of multi-timeframe analysis. Entering on a lower time frame allows you to place a tight stop loss right below a microstructure, significantly reducing the amount of capital at risk on the entry. When you pair that micro risk with a macro profit target from the daily chart, you create an asymmetric trade profile where the potential reward visually dwarfs the risk. The operational law is simple. You must always execute on your focus time frame, but you must never enter a trade without the permission of the larger trend. Applying a multi-timeframe strategy moves a trader past reacting to flat lines on a screen toward navigating the multi-dimensional architecture of the market.